Today, we're showing you a customer's brickmaking site. They bought 2 of our Liushi pallet-free brickmaking machines. This was a wise choice. These 2 brickmaking machines are outstanding. They are stable and reliable, and can produce a lot of high-quality bricks. The big advantage is that you don't need pallets. Traditional brickmaking machines often need pallets, which take up space and make the operation more expensive and complex. But Liushi pallet-free brickmaking machine gets rid of the pallet link. What does this mean? It saves money because you don't have to buy and replace pallets as often. It also means less work carrying and storing pallets, which makes the job easier for workers and improves efficiency. The pallet-free system also makes the brickmaking process more efficient and easier to maintain. It is also kinder to the environment and uses less energy. We believe it will create more value for our customers in the future.